you, one and only you, yeah. You're my one and only, my one and only you. Thank you. Wow. Upo muna tayo. Wala eh, ito lang eh. Kung dito naman ako umarap, wala namang audience. Dito na lang ako. Hindi, mga kaibigan. I got so many stories in my life in the Philippines. I've been in the business for 52 years. Until now, hindi wala ako madisgrasya.